The grammar rule is repeat the content. So in our expression, it's very common that people need to repeat something. So the repeat word, we say 也. And so the meaning is also, as well, to, either, right? And I think that English, you should notice we use this just a different position in the sentence. For example, for also, I also like it. And if you use as well, you put at the end. Or to, or either, you put them all at the end of the sentence. But in Chinese, it's very strict, only one position. Please put the 也 before the repeating content. So, I said that if the logical relationship very close, they must stay together. You cannot put them at the end, very far. The two words to separate very far. No, you must put them together because their logical relationship is closer. So 也 is repeat, put before the part you want to repeat. Look at the example. This repeating part, we can be the positive or negative. So look at this. My mother goes to Beijing too. English. So here, you want to say my mother. So go to Beijing is the part you want to repeat. We put go to. So put the 也 before go to Beijing. 也去北京. So go to Beijing. This person go to Beijing. That person also go to Beijing. So go to Beijing is the part you want to repeat. Then next one. 他. If we don't have the also here, he is tired. We already practiced. 他很累. Then which part we want to repeat? 很累. So that's why 也 before it. I also like coffee very much. So here, without also, I like coffee very much is 很喜欢咖啡. Then 也 before 很, very much like. So you see the position? And maybe people ask me that can I put the 也 before the subject? I say, oh, so I like coffee. So do Leslie. So does Leslie. Yes, I will say Leslie 也喜欢咖啡. I don't repeat the another person. I just say also like coffee, right? We never put the 也 before the noun, before the subject, never, because we just repeat. People do something also, or just like something. Has same statement, has the state and the same situation with that for the adjective. Also we put a 很, but never for the noun. Okay, so next one for the negative statement. My mother won't go to Beijing either. If we don't have either, is 我妈妈不去北京, won't go to Beijing. Okay, let me make clear now. In this, before I gave you the tense, the knowledge of past tense and the future tense, we will focus on the present tense. So even here we say won't. This is just for English sentence, but we translate it still use the present tense. 我的妈妈不去北京. So 不去北京is the part we want to repeat. That's why we put the 也 here. 也不去北京. And he is not tired either. So not tired is the part we want to deny. 他不累. And the 也 here. Next one is I don't like coffee so much either. So much like. So we say 我不很喜欢咖啡. Not so much. 我也不很喜欢咖啡. So you see, we do step by step that we understand the first one, and the second we add the more words. Just show people's understanding. Okay, let's do some exercises. Here I gave you 5 positive ones and 5 negative ones. Please just finish them all yourself. Then we check together.